Alright, the next thing we're going to do is to create what's on the sheet. So you're going to basically just grab your different items, different views that need to be on the sheet and pull them over. So in this case we have level 1. You'll see right away that it doesn't really fit on our sheet. But we'll take care of that. And this is where you're going to want to refer to your assignment sheet to make sure that you're in the proper scale for your project. You know, what I'm doing here may or may not be related to your project. So if you're at 3/16, great. If you're at 1/4 inch or 1/8, please revise that. So you double click inside the view, and you can go down here and you can change whatever scale that you're wanting to be shown. I think we've already covered this. The other thing I want to cover is you might have your crop marks on, and in that case it looks like that. We don't really need the crop marks, as if you like having all your drawings framed, then maybe you kind of pull this down and make sure it's in the right placement. But you can also just turn them off. Okay, but it will crop your drawing, so you literally could, you know, crop portions of your drawing and make them unseen. You might notice that the grid still continues to go past. That's just the way that it works, so that your grids always can be seen. Let's see, some other things I've noted that I haven't really fixed some of this other stuff. So this is a good time also just to kind of, you know, go back, take a look, make sure that you need, whatever you need cleaned up, you do clean it up. So when you click outside of that viewport, it deactivates, and suddenly you're back to kind of what we would call paper space. Paper space being the sheet itself, model space being the model inside of this view, so that you can actually model. So I could actually add columns, and I could add walls, and I could do all of the things. Okay, so that just kind of shows you how to start to prep your drawing. The other thing that you might note is that this title is got a really long tail, a line here. So to change that, you might think you would just click on it, double click on it, but that's not really going to do anything. You have to click once on the actual view, and then you'll see this node come up, and you can pull it and it will shrink. Why they have kept that, it's been an annoyance, I think, from day one with Revit, but they continue to be very specific that they want you to go through that procedure. I suppose once you get used to it, you just get used to it. Alright, so last bit of information. I am going to turn off my crops. You should see walls and things of that nature in your project, foundation walls. Not sure why mine aren't showing up. I think it has something to do with my view range not being set to level below. Apply. Okay, and now I see some of my walls You have more walls than I am showing. Please refer back to the plans to understand what you should be showing. I think that's it. Thank you guys. You'll do this for, make sure you understand which sheets you're going to actually do and want to cover. And that should all be in your assignment sheet. It should talk about all the different sheets that you'll have. All right, that's it, guys.